learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林哲修 Joseph Lin. Along with Alice, we're talking about this month's theme, and it is the phrase 当然咯 of course.
懂眼哦，
懂眼哦 ，OK， 这个过年的时候，大家好像很共同一致都会做的一件事情，就是
初二回娘家。
You know, during the Chinese Lunar New Year, the second day of the Lunar New Year, everyone has to return to the mother's side of the home or your wife's side of the home, and it's a must. 来，你初二会回娘家吗？
初一，
初一，
每转每家么？
每转每家么 ？OK， 每家就是妹家就是老婆家。
对，或者可以说转外家么？
转外家么？
外家
哦，是外家，就像外婆外公就是妈妈那边嘛。
对
I see two different ways of saying going back to the mother side of the family.
对，所以我们就可以说初一每转每家么，或者是说初一每转外家么。
OK， 每家么或外家么都可以。All right。
那我们海陆腔转每家，
转每家 ，OK，
或者是说转外家。
或者转外家，
还蛮像的，
蛮像的，可是比较圆滑一点的那种感觉。OK， that's a different dialect of saying the term going back to the mother side of the family. 通常答案一定是当然会咯，你呢 ？Of course. How about you?
懂眼会呢？
懂眼会呢？
呢？
这个还蛮好用的。
你呢？
你呢？常常有人会问 How are you? I'm good. 啊，你呢？That means and you, of course, and you, and of course, the most likely the answer is going to be 我们也会回去啊。Yes, we are all going back to.
愛到每位轉去哦。
愛到每位轉去哦。Okay, that means we, of course, are going back as well. Hey, happy time going back to that side of the family. And let's review some of these terms right here, such as, again, going back, 回娘家，
轉每家，
轉每家，
或者是轉外家
or 轉外家 and then 你呢 and you
呢
呢哎这个真的要好好学起来要记起来了呢 and it's all about saying 当然咯 of course
懂眼哦
懂眼哦再一次祝大家新年快乐恭喜发财啦 Alright Happy New Year and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
是母胎家
俺只say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.